Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How is everyone doing today? So today is 3rd of January. I forgot. Happy New Year to you all. I can't believe that you and I are seeing this here, and I'm so grateful to all my subscribers that subscribe to my channel in 2025, and I just hope that I get more subscribers this year. So I just hope that you and I have a lovely year. And yeah, so in today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to learn Korea. I have gotten a lot of questions on my TikTok page like how to learn Korea apps I use, because some app aren't working for some people. So I'm gonna be telling you guys the app I use, Korean variety shows I watch, and all that. So yeah, so first, Korea is not that hard but also not that easy. I promise you guys. You just have to put your mind in the language, and I promise you'll go far. So the first app I use in learning Korea is called Hangul, which is the Korean alphabet. There was a time that I haven't discovered Hangul. I use this app called Duolingo. People on my TikTok comment sections keep saying that Duolingo doesn't help them. I'm actually like, yeah, it doesn't help that much, but Duolingo helped me in learning Korean alphabet. I don't suggest you use Duolingo for like learning Korean basic. Like Duolingo doesn't like break down things for someone. I don't know if you guys get what I'm saying, but I have apps that you guys will really love to use. So yeah, so the first app I suggest you guys use is Hangul, which is the Korean alphabet. I'm gonna drop the picture of the app here in the video. Hangul, which is the Korean alphabet, and after using Hangul, when you're done, you must always have a book by your side in order to be able to learn the Hangul. And when you're done learning Korean alphabet is really easy. I learned Korean alphabet in less than 2 days. Like, it's really so easy, just when you just have like a good memory and like you know how to learn things fast. I promise you, so easy. So the second app I use is one of my favorite apps so much, which is Lingodeer. Lingodeer is so underrated. Like, people don't talk about Lingodeer much. I love Lingodeer so much. When I discovered this app by a lady talking about it on TikTok, and I was like, because I've downloaded a lot of Korean app and it doesn't work for me. But when I downloaded Lingodeer, oh my god, like, I love apps that break down things for someone. Like, it makes me so happy, and Duolingo did that, and I am so happy to be using Duolingo. I suggest you go download Lingodeer in your Play Store, and I promise you enjoy it. So the third app is called Cake. I really loved Cake though. It actually helped me, but like there's like a paid version and I didn't use it, so I uninstalled the app. But I promise you, Cake is also a good app, so I suggest you go use it. The next app is called Tuda. This app is so friendly, and I love the app so much. Like, if you go search for Tuda, it's like a really famous app, and yeah, I suggest you go use that one too. What else? Am I using any other app? There's a new app that I discovered, Memorize. I've been using it so far and it's actually so good. I suggest you go use that one too. Next app is called there's this app, Link. Link is also very good. Like, it's also very good. Duolingo is not that bad. It's just like it doesn't like do so much. It just goes straight to the point. It doesn't like break down things for someone that's not like, because me, I'm not like a fast learner like that much, so I need an app to literally break it down for me. Yeah, so that's basically it. I think I'm forgetting. And yeah, watch a lot of Korean dramas. K-dramas really helps in improving your pronunciation and all that. Yeah, what else? I think I'm missing something. I just don't want the video to be like long for you guys. I just want it to be short as possible and like meaningful to you guys, or useful to you guys. I think I'm missing something. And there's this app also called Airlen. I've been using it. It's actually pretty good, and I suggest you go use it too. Okay, after using those apps, I suggest you go to YouTube. You can just add how to learn Korean, and you're gonna see a lot of people that you can go watch that you're like comfortable with to learn Korean. And I promise you, YouTube is like one of the really easy place to learn Korean. Like, they help so much, and people don't usually talk about this, but ChatGPT literally helps me so much. Like, a lot of people don't talk about it, but ChatGPT is one of my best Korean learning apps. I don't know if you guys understand what I'm saying, but you guys go try it out and see how good ChatGPT is. So yeah, I don't want to miss something. Watch a lot of Korean variety shows, like all this BTS, like all this, and like turn like the subtitles on. I don't know what I'm saying, but I think I'm making sense. I don't know if you guys know what I mean. Like, watch a lot of variety shows, just watch a lot of K-dramas. It really helps so much. So yeah, that's the end of my video today. I just hope that I'm not missing anything. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching today. If you have any questions on how to learn Korea, I'm sure you're free to tell me in the comment section. I love you. Bye.